Amongst all countries of the world, India runs one of the largest crop insurance programs under the banner of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, covering smaller operational holdings, which makes the scheme more complex. Crop cutting experiments are the approved process of yield estimation in notified unit, which is used for calculation of claims under crop insurance scheme. More than 2 million CCEs per season are conducted across all states within a span of 45 days. Majority of these CCEs are conducted manually under the supervision of various government bodies. Despite the best efforts, the manual crop cutting experiments still have limitations, such as delayed reporting and data inconsistencies, leading to issues in yield estimations. In 2016, HDFC Ergo initiated monitoring of CCEs digitally through in-house crop survey application, CSA app. Our in-house application captures details of farmers, land records with geotagged images with latitude-longitude details. This helps in real-time loss monitoring, reducing data inconsistencies. While the mobile app helped in digital collection of data, conducting CCEs still is a manual process, where the representatives have to go on the ground to cut sample. For a geographical expanse that India has, this in itself is a huge exercise, which could pose challenges like managing CCEs in smaller time windows and unseen issues like a pandemic. In the recent COVID-19 pandemic, HDFC Ergo team braved the situation for benefits of our farming community and stood on the ground to oversee 80,000 CCEs. Some of our dear members also got infected with the virus, but the commitment remained unwavered. A new digital revolution on remote sensing-based crop claim monitoring has started to handle these challenges, and HDFC Ergo has taken an initiative to start our own remote sensing lab for satellite-based crop health monitoring and smart sampling. Remote sensing technology is the advanced form of monitoring crop cycle stages. At HDFC Ergo, our lab is led by remote sensing scientists and a team of domain experts. Our team procures data from Sentinel-2A and 2B satellite from European Space Agency with 7 days revolution frequency of satellite with a 10-meter resolution. On the basis of predefined parameter, the locations are classified as good, moderate, average and bad fields. Accordingly, we can optimize our capacity by conducting larger number of CCEs to be done in bad fields and less number of CCEs in fields under other categories. HDFC Ergo has also developed in-house capacity to bring in precision in crop loss estimation in shorter time span using drone technology. Our proactive crop acreage estimation and crop health monitoring via remote sensing has helped state governments in correct estimation of loss situation and in planning of their funds. These technological interventions are expected to reduce the manual dependency on crop cutting experiments and will ensure correct yield assessment in a time-bound manner and will benefit our farmers in the event of a loss. We at HDFC Ergo are leading the digital way of claims monitoring to bring in overall efficiency and transparency with the help of technological advancement. When it comes to HDFC Ergo, you can always take it easy.